Hi, in this video we're going to check out a Klein Tools ET16 Borescope, inexpensive borescope that works with a Android phone. Check out some of its capabilities and uses. The scope comes with 10 feet of sturdy yet flexible tubing, camera on one end, and a lighting control, and two options for hooking up to your Android phone. It can connect either to a Type-C or a micro USB. This phone is micro USB. The next thing we're going to have to do is find the app to download to the phone. Okay, we're scrolling through the Klein Tools website to see if it might show up on here. I think we're going to have to do an actual search. So I'm entering ET16. And we'll see what we get then. And as we scroll down, there it is. So let's load that up. Okay, a file may be harmful warning popped up. We don't have a choice. We're proceeding anyway. Downloading. This takes but a few seconds. We can open it up, and after that we will install it. Now that it's installed, let's open it up and see what it looks like. With the Borescope hooked up, this window pops up asking you if it's okay to accept that USB input, and it tends to pop up a number of times before you finally get a camera view, which is one minor annoyance I found with this device. As you can see, it's happening again and again. There it is. Finally, the video view comes through. Okay, let's have a look at this camera now. See what the quality of the video, the focus, how it operates under low light conditions. So the text is clear. I'm getting up close, I'm pulling it back. It remains in focus. Real close there. So I'm going to show you how you can rotate the image. Every time you hit it, it's 90 degrees clockwise until you come back. That can be quite useful if you get into a spot where there's a little mobility for it. It also has a light on it that you can turn up in intensity. Looks like there's about 6 LEDs there, and at maximum it's quite intense. Let's look at this now under lower ambient light. We'll basically turn out the wall sconce light here and see if we can still read it. It's a little darker, but we can always turn that up quite a ways down on the scale. And it handled that quite well. Now the camera, you can take the still picture or make a recording with it. So let's take a still and then see how it turns out. Now to find it, up in the left-hand corner on the top of the screen, you have to press an icon. Looks like a little piece of folded paper. And there it is up there. You hit that and you should see the pictures that you've taken. Didn't happen that time. Let's hit it again. And there they come up. And then if you click on them, so that turned out really well. As far as a practical use, checking your brake pads without removing the wheels is a possibility. You can get this into some pretty small areas. And I'm verifying that the brake pads have plenty of wear left on them. And then why not take a picture and have a look at it? So there's a pretty clear picture of a condition of our pads. Now again, without taking the wheel off, I'm going to check the condition of the CV boot, make sure it's not cracked or anything. So I've got my camera around the back there. I'm trying to find the boot. There it is. Then again, we'll snap a picture of that and have a look at it. Looks okay, and I could have used a little bit more light, maybe turned it up a little there. Now, a problem that you might encounter if you work on a car, dropping a tool, in this case a socket, and trying to find it, and all the hidden nooks and crannies underneath the car. Well, that's a possible use for this borescope. So I'm looking for a socket now. I know approximately where I dropped it, and I'm just moving it around in here and seeing if I can find it. Looking for a shiny piece of metal. And I think I'm onto it. Yep. Just past it. I think I saw it. There it is. Uh-huh. Snapped a picture. We've got it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.